Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a moist and lemony blueberry lemon cake. It's so easy, you don't even need a mixer to make this cake. We'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, sugar, large eggs, whole milk, lemon juice, lemon zest. Remember to zest the lemons before you juice them. Oil, vanilla extract, and blueberries, fresh or frozen. I'm using fresh. When the cake is warm, we'll pour a sauce on top to make it extra lemony. For the sauce, we'll need powdered sugar, butter, and lemon juice. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. I'll be using a loaf pan to make this cake. Butter it well or use an oil spray. Coat with flour. And tap out the excess. Set the pan aside. To the flour, add the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk this well. Add the eggs to a large bowl and beat them well. Add sugar and whisk for 1 minute. Then the oil, milk, and lemon juice. Vanilla extract, and lemon zest. Mix to combine. Now add the flour mixture. Stir this with a wooden spoon. Don't overmix it. To the blueberries, add lemon juice and all-purpose flour. Mix well to coat the blueberries. This is going to help the blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the cake. Pour half the batter into the loaf pan. Add all the blueberries and spread evenly. Pour the remaining batter on top. Even it out. Tap the pan on your counter a few times to get rid of any air bubbles. Bake in the heated oven for approximately 45 minutes. While the cake is baking, make the sauce. Melt the butter and pour it into a measuring cup, then the powdered sugar. Mix that well. Add fresh lemon juice and mix to combine. Check the cake at 40 minutes in case your oven runs hot. A toothpick inserted into the middle should come out clean when the cake is done. Leave the pan on a rack set on a baking sheet for about 10 minutes. You should be able to touch the pan without burning yourself. Run an offset spatula around the cake so it comes out easily. Turn the cake over onto your hand, tapping the bottom of the pan if necessary. Place the cake on the rack. I couldn't find any long wooden skewers, so I'm using this metal barbecue skewer. Use whatever you have to make holes in the cake, all the way to the bottom. Make 4 rows of about 10 holes. Slowly pour the sauce all over the cake. Some of the sauce will drip down and into the tray. You can put the sauce back on top or on the sides if you wish. Let the cake absorb all the sauce and cool down. I'm going to cut a piece now when it's still a little warm just to show you the inside. See the blueberries all through the cake, top to bottom. Your entire house is going to smell like lemons, and it's such a wonderful aroma. The cake is moist with so much lemon flavor from the lemon juice, lemon zest, and of course the buttery lemon sauce soaked into the cake. You can wrap this cake and it'll taste even better the next day. As you saw, it's easy to make without a mixer. I hope you give this delicious cake a try and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching.